Hey there, fourth grade. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to play a math game called Divide and Conquer. This can be found on page 254 of your SRB if you want to follow along there, or if you have additional questions once we are done. For now though, just follow along on the screen here. I'll kind of go through what you need and how to play this game. So you're going to need Divide and Conquer Triangle Fact cards and a calculator, as well as 3 people. This is a 3-person game. The skill we're practicing here is extended division facts. Alright, so let's talk about how you play, and then we'll go through the example down here. So one player is going to be the caller, one is going to be the calculator, and one is going to be the brain. In this game, the caller will shuffle that deck of cards and place them fact side down on the table. The caller then draws a fact triangle card from the pile and adds a 0 to one of the numbers. So you could add a 0 to the dividend, you could add 1 0 to the dividend and 1 0 to the divisor, or 2 zeros to the dividend. So that would be the number that's being divided by another number. The caller then reads the problem aloud and asks for the quotient. So that means they're asking for the problem or the solution of that division problem. Of course, kind of like beat the calculator will then try to solve the problem while the brain solves it without the calculator. They'll call out their answers, and the caller, whoever pulled that card, will get to decide who was the winner of that game. So the caller's going to just pulling one card at a time, and you know what, boys and girls? You can switch roles after about 5 turns. So let's go through an example. Let's say I'm the caller and I pull the fact triangle card 3, 9, and 27. Now I'm not going to show that to the other people. I'm going to adjust those numbers to make a new fact problem. So I might say I'm going to add 1 0 to the dividend. So I'm going to say instead of 27 divided by 9, I'm going to say I'm going to call out 270 divided by 9. And I'm going to wait for an answer. Okay, so at that time the brain and the calculator are solving that problem, ready to call it out. Or another option I could have done with that number is I could have added a 0 to both the dividend or the divisor. So I could have had 270 divided by 30. See, I'm adding zeros to these numbers. The only thing you won't do, boys and girls, you're not going to add a 0 to just the divisor. That won't work because your number will be too big to be divided into that number. You won't get a nice whole number. You could also add 2 zeros to one of the dividends. So I might say 2,700 divided by 9. And the answer would be 300 then. Boys and girls, if you have any questions, again, go back to page 254 in your math journal. Enjoy playing this game and working on your dividing skills. Have a great day.